Welcome guys to another video from Classic Games United, bringing the best tutorials on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel you'll find the best tutorial videos, very helpful for all your gaming needs. Alright, so in today's videos, as you see here, the wallpaper Singularity, and I'm going to be showing you all how to play the game online again after the servers have been shut down. You can play the game online again, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that, right? So first off, you'll need Steam or GOG version of the game. Alright, so with that being said, let's get into the tutorial. So first I'm going to start up the game now, and then I'll show you all that the game cannot work online, and then I'll show you how to get the game online and how to fix the different problems you will have in the game, right? So stay tuned and I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back in the game, right? If you try to go to multiplayer, if you try to create a profile, you will most likely get this error here because the game, the online is dead and there's no way to play the game. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to get the game online now, so stay tuned and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this part is getting the game online. Alright, you must be in the warehouse Discord and the bot channel, then go to here guys and register, and then click Singularity, because you'll need a key. Alright, you'll need a key to get the game online. Alright, so this is the key here. Go to the Singularity here, let's read the instructions, right? Mine's the non-Steam version, so all you have to do is download this. Just download it. Okay, download it, go to it, alright, and let me show you one more thing one time. If you download it and you started the game, you create a profile, you'll still get the CD key error. So if you don't want to get that error guys, just download this. Add universal warehouse redirector, download this. So download this, because if you don't download this and you try to make a profile, you will get this CD key is invalid error. Alright, so you have to put this fix here, right here. Go to where you had the fix and just drag it inside of here, and that should fix the CDK error, and you should be able to create a profile when you go in the game, right? So you're gonna go back in the game now and create a profile and get the game working online. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay guys, we are back in the game. So go to multiplayer, downloading settings, go to play online, and then you could create a profile now, right? As you know, my name must be Classic Games. Username must be at least 6 characters long. Alright, so make sure and create a good username. Let's put Classic Games N. You see, profile created successfully. And voila guys, that's it, you're online, the game is working. So you can now go online now. So go to a private match station. You see guys, it's working now. You see guys, it's working. It's working finally. So that is how you play Singularity online. Done.
Soldiers, your mission is to infiltrate the creature's territory and restore all beacons along the way. The third and final beacon is located in the heart of the hive. Once that is activated, bombardment will commence and the infestation will be eradicated.
Hey guys, it's alright, it's working. I'll just load the volume. So guys, as you can see, the game is working online again. So if you want to play online, join the Discord server, join my Discord server. The Singularity Discord server is dead and you wouldn't get no help there. So if you want to play online and you want to revive this game again, if you're serious about this game, then join my Discord server and the link will be in the description. Alright, so that this video was helpful. If you need any assistance, don't forget, join the Discord server and I will assist you. Alright,
We have visual contact with the beacon. Beacon regeneration in progress. Defend it.
Beacon functional. Uplink initiated. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beacon online.
alright guys. So this is it for this video for today. Short tutorial, simple and easy to follow. So I hope that this will be a help. I'm gonna let my PC get a little rest, and after once I switch it back on, I'll edit this video. So thanks for watching once more guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video to come. Classic Games United signing out. Bye.